Hello, good morning, good evening, good night. This is your brother Mark. And news today, there's in New York, USA, in Diamond District. There's a guy who named Trucks NYC. This guy is a good guy, a businessman, and selling jewelry. But there's a time that there's a bad guy on the movie. It's like his company is Akai Diamonds, and there's an issue about theft or taking money by scamming customers and use his name. Akai used his name for selling fake information and fake jewelry. This guy, come check it out. This one in YouTube too. This one confronts the owner of the Akai Diamonds, and he told that he is a thief. And then this guy assaulted this good guy named or owner of Trucks NYC. Please subscribe and check it out, his video. Subscribe in my channel and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Peace. God bless everyone. Bye.